Okay, apologies. Oh, yeah, for the angle. Tried to set it, and also you can probably hear a hedge trimmer going off in the background. Neighbours having hedge trims. Anyway, just thought I'd film this. So I've got the placement knobs off eBay. This type. You've probably seen a few times before. You might have wondered, how did you get these knobs off? Well, I think some of them you're supposed to be able to pull off. Oh, okay, the side ones. Maybe I didn't put that one on properly. Yeah, looks like I didn't, because I've tried this before, but I had the wrong set of knobs. So let's get it off. Some mole grips, but you could just use any pliers just to get a good grip on this. Okay, there we go. Right, yeah, you're getting these knobs. I got the wrong set first of all. So the middle one, for the fan speed, it's got like a D shape. And then the side ones have got like a weird cross shape, which you can sort of see inside there. Right, yeah, so if you get them, that's what you want, the D's and T crosses. I got some which had like sort of like long clips on the side. Completely different car, so it wasn't my fault, it's just the listing was wrong. Anyway, so I've got my D one in the middle, so let's line that up with the D. Okay, yeah, so fantastic, works. And one of the side ones. Yeah. Fantastic. And this one. You might be wondering how I know which way around these goes, because it's like a cross and it could go, you know, maybe this way or that way. But yeah, I remembered I had it on like one fan, cold as possible for ventilation, and then this one I think was on like mixed foot and face. Yeah, so that's it, job done.